All right, so if you did this correctly, it should look something like this. Again, it's just doing perpendicular bisectors. So if we have an even number, they want us to break this into an even number of segments. All we have to do is the perpendicular bisector. So 1, 2, 3, 4, equal segments. All right, and notice we did the perpendicular bisector 1, 2, 3 times. Cool. Now go ahead, try exercise 2. They want 12 equal length segments or into 12 inches. So you're gonna have to draw your line segment of 1 foot and divide it into 12 equal segments. Again, that's a bunch of perpendicular bisectors. But let's move on to exploratory challenge number 1. So this is an odd number. So hopefully you see that. They want this into 3 equal segments. So we cannot just do the perpendicular bisector. So we have to do a lot more. So watch me, all right? What I'm going to do is extend the line somewhere from point A, and I'm just gonna do this, all right? Then what I'm gonna do is grab my protractor and just make like a little mark right here. So that would be my A prime. So this is for odd segments. So now I have one segment, keep it the same length, and do A double prime. So right there, and then do A triple prime. Boom. All right, so A double prime, A triple prime. I'm gonna mark these. These 3 segments are exactly the same. All right, we made sure of it. Now, what you're going to do is connect your last segment that you made to B. So you're gonna do that. Okay, so you should have made a triangle. What you're going to do from here is construct 2 parallel lines that go through A double prime, A prime, and it has to be parallel to the segment you just created. So it has to be parallel to this one. So now you need another line going this way and another line going like that. And wherever those parallel lines cross, that's where your segments are. So now the trick is, how do you create parallel lines? All right, so think back to, I believe it was lesson 8, and see if you can figure it out, and we'll help you out in a second.